Let's dive into the meticulous world of bacon making, where high stakes meet rich flavors to transform quality pork bellies into the irresistible strips we all love. So, how do they do it? The journey begins at the selection stage, where the quality of pork belly determines the bacon's final taste and texture. After selection, these bellies are meticulously trimmed to a consistent thickness. This uniformity is vital as it influences how the bacon cures, smokes, and eventually cooks. Even a minor inconsistency can lead to uneven cooking, potentially spoiling the uniform culinary experience that bacon lovers cherish. The belly, primarily chosen for its optimal fat-to-meat ratio, is crucial in rendering bacon that crisps beautifully while retaining a tender chew. This cut, taken from the underside of the pig, is the foundation upon which all other processes build. The next step is the curing process. Curing is where the bacon's signature flavor begins to develop. During this phase, pork bellies are either immersed in a wet brine or rubbed with a dry mix of salt, sugar, spices, and sometimes curing salts. These ingredients not only enhance flavor, but also preserve the bacon, extending its shelf life. The choice of curing method and the concoction used can vary widely, each adding a unique twist to the finished product. In wet curing, the pork bellies are immersed in a brine solution. The brine is a carefully prepared mixture of water, salt, sugar, and a variety of spices. It may also include curing salts, which contain sodium nitrate. This ingredient plays a crucial role in preventing the growth of harmful bacteria, and it contributes to the pink hue that is characteristic of cured bacon. The liquid nature of the brine allows it to penetrate deeply into the meat, ensuring that the flavors and preservative qualities are evenly distributed throughout the pork. Throughout curing, maintaining a low temperature is imperative to prevent the growth of bacteria. This stage of bacon making is a delicate balance between flavor development and food safety, with precise temperature control being the linchpin that holds this balance. After curing, the next critical step in bacon making is smoking, which deeply influences the bacon's taste and texture. Smoking uses different woods like hickory, applewood, or cherry, each adding its unique flavor. This process must be carefully controlled. The bacon is typically smoked at low temperatures, ranging from 200 degrees Fahrenheit to 275 degrees Fahrenheit, which converts to 93 degrees Celsius to 135 degrees Celsius over several hours. This slow smoking allows the bacon to absorb the smoky flavors without losing too much moisture. If the bacon is smoked too much, it can become overly dry and bitter. On the other hand, not enough smoke can leave the bacon tasting bland and looking pale. Consistency in smoking is also crucial. The smoke must be steady and well regulated to ensure even flavor and color throughout the bacon. Any interruptions or fluctuations can cause unevenness in taste and quality. The experts who handle this process need to constantly monitor and adjust the smoke levels, especially when using different types of wood, which can behave differently under heat. Managing this step correctly ensures the bacon comes out perfectly smoky and delicious, just the way bacon lovers like it. Following the intricate smoking process, the smoked bacon bellies undergo pressing to achieve uniform thickness and size. This step is critical, ensuring that each slice of bacon not only looks appealing, but also cooks evenly and consistently. Pressing the bellies flattens out any irregularities and compacts the meat and fat, which enhances the texture and facilitates uniform cooking. The process of pressing involves placing the smoked bacon bellies under a heavy press or between plates that apply steady pressure evenly across the surface of the meat. This controlled compression is vital for several reasons. Firstly, it ensures even cooking and consistent appearance, which is essential for consumer satisfaction. Whether the bacon is prepared in a restaurant or at home, each slice must cook at the same rate to prevent uneven textures, avoiding any pieces being over or undercooked. This uniformity also contributes to the aesthetic appeal of the bacon, meeting the high culinary expectations of consumers. Efficient packaging is another benefit of uniform bacon sizes. It allows for more streamlined packaging, fitting neatly into containers, which optimizes space and reduces costs associated with transport and storage. Uniformity also minimizes damage during shipping, ensuring the bacon arrives in perfect condition. Additionally, pressing redistributes and locks in the flavors and fats from the smoking process, ensuring each bite of bacon has a consistent taste and texture, thereby enhancing the overall eating experience. Uniform slices also help build brand reliability and consumer trust, as consumers expect every piece in a package to look and cook the same way. Lastly, uniform thickness reduces waste and controls costs by improving yield from each pork belly and reducing production costs, which is critical for the profitability of large-scale operations. The importance of pressing bacon cannot be understated, as any deviation in size can result in a product that fails to meet quality and consistency standards, reflecting the industry's commitment to excellence. Once the bacon bellies have been smoked and pressed in uniform thickness, the next crucial phase is the slicing process. This step is where the bacon takes on its final, consumer-friendly form. Precision in slicing is not just about aesthetics. It directly impacts both the cooking experience and the final enjoyment of the bacon. Using advanced slicing technology, each belly is cut into thin, consistent strips. The accuracy of these machines is paramount. If slices are too thick, they won't cook evenly. Too thin, and they might become overly crispy or burn quickly. Slicing must strike the perfect balance to ensure each piece of bacon cooks uniformly and delivers the satisfying crunch and tender chew that bacon enthusiasts expect. The stakes are high during the slicing phase. Inconsistent slicing can lead to product waste, as slices that don't meet the standard specifications might need to be discarded or downgraded. This is not only a loss in materials, but also in time and labor, affecting the overall efficiency and profitability of the production line. Moreover, precise slicing affects the packing process. Uniform slices are easier to package attractively and efficiently, which is crucial for retail presentation. Consumers often make purchasing decisions based on the visual appeal of bacon in the package. Neatly stacked, even slices suggest quality and care in production. Furthermore, the slicing process needs to be handled with meticulous attention to hygiene and safety. The equipment must be regularly cleaned and maintained to prevent contamination and ensure that each batch of bacon is safe for consumption. The final step before bacon reaches the market is its careful packaging. This crucial phase protects the bacon from contamination and preserves its freshness, essential for maintaining quality. Vacuum sealing is typically employed to minimize air exposure, which can spoil the bacon and alter its flavor. Each package must be meticulously executed to ensure it is completely airtight and ready for distribution. Effective packaging is essential not just for maintaining the bacon's quality and taste, but also for ensuring it remains safe and appealing from the factory to the consumer's table, thereby supporting brand reliability and customer satisfaction. So there you have it, the fascinating journey from select pork bellies to the crisp bacon we all love. If you want to explore more exciting how it's made stories and innovative ways in beverage and food production, watch our next video.